came to help. Came to win. How slow does his heart rate need to be? Very slow.
Yeah, well, how slow is very slow?
Nearly dead. Styles, what's happening? He went after him. I told him what was happening with you, and he just went after him. Boyd?
Isaac! Get off! Stop!
Isaac!
Isaac, Joe. I'm okay. I'm fine.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
I'm okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's not his fault.
I know. I guess now we know they want to do more than get you angry. They want to get someone hurt.
So are we gonna do something?
Yeah. I'm gonna get them angry. Really angry. Give me your hand. Go on. What did I do? You took some of his pain away. Only a little bit, but sometimes a little can make quite a difference. It's okay. First time he showed me, I cried too.
They're leaving tonight during the game.
So why are you telling me?
I'm not telling you, I'm asking you. I'm asking for your advice.
From me? Why?
Because I trust you.
Why?
Because you always seem to want to do the right thing.
I usually have no idea what I'm doing. Actually, I always have no idea what I'm doing.
Do you want to let me know what you're doing right now?
I'm not going anywhere, if that's what you mean. I have too many people here who need me.
Well, I guess that makes me lucky, because I don't have anyone. So.
Are you gonna go with them?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I will.
Come on!
Isaac! It's them. Isaac, wait!
Look, if it feels too risky, you don't have to do this.
We have to make it so Coach has no choice but to play you. How do we do that? He's got a bench full of guys he could use before he ever puts me on the field. Can you do it without putting anyone in the hospital?
I can try.
Hey.
Oh, wait.
Are you going to school?
Yeah.
Okay, me too.
Good.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
Are you angry at me?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
What does that mean?
I guess I'm not really sure how I'm feeling.
Okay. Do you hate me?
No, of course not.
Do you want to hit me?
No.
I think you should hit me.
I don't want to hit you.
Are you sure?
Why would I want to hit you? You didn't do anything, did you?
No. No, I mean, what do you mean?
I mean, like, you didn't kiss her or anything.
No.
Right?
No, absolutely not, no.
Did you want to?
Oh, yeah, totally.
Come in, Mom. I was wondering if I could ask you a favor.
Sorry, but I only got two myself.
Well, do you even have a date yet?
I'm working on it.
Okay, hear me out. You give us the tickets, and you devote your life to abstinence. You just...
How do you two losers even survive? What are we supposed to do? No one's even selling.
Look here, boys. What is he doing?
That's excessive.
Battle bruise. Wow, okay.
Enjoy the show.
Nathan, I always forget. How many bones in the human body? I don't know. Let's count.
That's one.
Really, boys? Boys! What do you think you're doing?
We were watching over you. We wanted to make sure you weren't the third sacrifice.
But both of you were asleep.
You were on watch last. What are you talking about? You were on watch last. No, you were on watch last.
I might have been on watch last.
My heroes.
It's not broken, but I can't move it. I think Jackson nicked me because I can feel it spreading.
Give me a chance to figure something out. Something that doesn't have to end with someone else dying.